So we're back with a brand new product. This is the Victrola Suitcase Record Player. This specifically is their Journey Glow. Journey is the brand that specifically is the suitcase model, so you can actually take this with you on the go. And it is the Glow model. It has Glow RGB, so you have illuminated lights on the front. Let's open this up, talk a little bit more what you get. When it comes to record players, Victrola is one of the brands that really stands out for not only its quality, but also just its endeavor to create a not only lasting product, but a high quality product in the marketplace, which is really impressive. Right off the bat, we've got a lot of protective foam, preventing scratching and whatnot. Okay. So look at this beautiful suitcase design. You got your power, your red and white out. Then, here we go. Click on the side latches. As you can see there. Just unlock those, and then should raise this up. And there is that beautiful felt interior. This piece here, of course, protect the pad. Wow. So cool. And then you got, of course, a cap here covering it. Your arm piece there, lift up. In here, you have your light activator. Then you have your settings for Bluetooth, line in, phono. Sorry. Bluetooth, line in, phono, Bluetooth out. So this device can connect Bluetooth audio in for the speaker. They can also connect Bluetooth out to put sound from this device to another speaker set. Some receivers also have Bluetooth, so you connect that way. Any type of device that can actually pick up a Bluetooth signal and accept it, that's what you're going to connect this with specifically. And then here you have your min, on, and then max for audio. And you have a headphone in line. That's for you to put your headphones directly in, whereas this line here at the top here, that'd be for your line for putting audio content into the device. So in and out, so to say. Really cool. And this little bag here that came with it, we have the manual and the power cord. It's a very low profile power cord. Like I said before, that's just going to connect and plug in right here. But if you do want to put this thing out to, say, for instance, a receiver directly with wired lines or other type of speakers, you can just use the RCA red and white out from the back and then put it through. If you're not using it and you don't want it to get dust on the reader or on the platform or anything in there, you can actually just close it up and seal it up. It's very well sealed. Then you're missing out on the logo right there, as well as the really high-end design of this unit. But let's go take a record. Let's put this in there so you can actually hear it running. And then we'll actually plug this in and show you the light display as well. That just feels so different. It's so cool. So hopefully you guys liked that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that really cool display and sound. One thing I want to say before we go is it does have a really amazing bass port here on the bottom, as well as those two really powerful stereo speakers built into the front there. So that way you're going to get that really high quality sound and bass support that you might not get with certain players. Well, hopefully you guys liked that. Hopefully you guys pick this up for yourself, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.